Hello again. Spinal stenosis refers to narrowing. Stenosis is a narrowing of the spinal canal. Now, what does that do? And why does that happen? It happens because of thickening, usually of ligaments, joints, or the bones in the spine, or protrusion of a disc. All of those things push into the canal where the nerves travel. And there can be different areas inside the spinal canal that are tight or pinching. It can be on one side or the other or both. But spinal stenosis just generically means narrowing of the spine and narrowing of the spinal canal, which causes nerve entrapment. I hope that helps you. I'll see you next time.